Here in the heart of Texas, the Brahman bulls graze peacefully in the golden morning light.
The Grey Brahman, magnificent and resilient, its massive frame perfectly adapted to the harsh environment, truly a king among livestock.
The Brahman herd moves across the pasture, a picture of strength and resilience. This breed is
Rising above the grazing herd reveals the true scale of this operation. Hundreds of Grey Brahman thrive under the golden sun.
We got a breach over here. Looks like they got through.
All right, hold tight. I'll be right there.
a symbol of strength and adaptation. The Brahman thrives where others fail. This prize winner showcases.
The satellite tracking shows the northern herd approaching sector gamma. We need to adjust the grazing rotation.
Agreed. And the biometric
Vitals are strong and the ultrasound looks clear. Please ensure all data points are logged before we finalize the report.
This facility operates at peak efficiency, utilizing advanced robotics to precisely measure and mix over 50 tons of feed per hour.
Our process begins with the finest golden corn and grains, precisely measured and blended with essential vitamins and minerals.
Protein levels on this batch are exceptional, perfectly balanced for the Grey Brahman.
Agreed. I'll finalize the quality approval now.
This facility processes thousands of tons of feed daily, utilizing advanced automation to ensure precise.
Coming straight. All right, stop right there. We need this inventory checked before the next load arrives.
Utilizing these modern feeding stations allows us to manage the herd efficiently. The bulls remain incredibly calm. Observe the quality. Every pellet, every grain, perfectly blended for peak performance.
The Grey Brahman, known for its resilience and distinctive muscle structure, thrives in these warm, golden conditions.
Look at the data from the sensor tags. They're hitting their target weights early.
The RFID scanner confirms it. We should adjust the feed schedule for the south herd.
Heart rate is strong, and the ultrasound confirms excellent health.
Noted. He's in prime condition for the season, Doctor.
Absolutely. Keep up the monitoring.
This magnificent creature represents the pinnacle of our breeding program, ensuring the future of the herd for generations to come.
Bloodline data confirms the accelerated growth trait here.
Yes, and the markers on the X chromosome are exceptionally strong in this Brahman group.
Look at the depth in that chest.
Absolutely flawless
The
symmetry.
muscle development in the hindquarter is remarkable. He truly is the finest example of the breed.
The muscle definition here is exceptional, particularly in the hindquarters.
Agreed. Structure looks sound, and the movement is very smooth.
This is the Brahman, a testament to agricultural strength. Every sinew, every muscle.
The Grey Brahman, known for their resilience, thrive in these lush pastures. Here we see the next generation.
We check the pasture conditions daily. The tablet helps us track the grazing patterns across these thousands of acres.
This massive reservoir ensures a year-round supply of fresh water. Our automated systems power. This is the rhythm of the ranch. Hundreds of Grey Brahman, guided by instinct. As the sun rises, the Grey Brahman herd is moved into the lanes, beginning the process of the large-scale health assessment.
Heart rate looks strong, consistent with the last check.
Vitals are stable. The ultrasound results were excellent.
Good. Let's schedule the booster for next month.
Look at the correlation between the feed and the growth rate here.
The data confirms the protocol is working better than projected, especially with the lambs.
This vast landscape is a testament to sustainable agriculture. Through careful rotational grazing,
We've got a weak spot coming up on the North 40. Keep an eye out.
Got it. I'll make a note right here for the repair crew.
Across these endless fields, the Grey Brahman thrive, a testament to the enduring rhythm of the earth and the turning of the seasons.
To ensure the highest pasture quality, These specialized machines distribute vital nutrients and manage vegetation across.
Bred for resilience and power, these gray Brahman bulls represent the culmination of generations of careful stewardship on the ranch.
The early morning mist reveals the strength of the gray Brahman, truly elite examples of the breed.
If we cross-reference the bloodline data with the genomic markers here.
The resistance projection stabilizes. We should move forward with the next generation.
The definition in the legs is remarkable. And look at this muscular frame, flowing smoothly into that prominent hump.
These are the kings of the paddock. Bred for perfection, their lineage stretches back generations, representing the pinnacle of the herd.
Pressure's holding steady at 40 psi.
Good. The herd is hydrating well, and we're minimizing waste across the property.
This section's secure.
Good. The grazing patterns are shifting by the creek.
Sunrise to sunset, the cycle of ranch life continues. A delicate balance of tradition.
With its distinctive hump and powerful musculature, the gray Brahman stands as a symbol of resilience, highly valued across the globe.
Across the rolling plains, the Brahman bulls continue their timeless journey, guided by instinct and the setting sun.
All right, get the Brahman settled in barn 4. We need the main arena clear by 8.
Copy that. Team, move the bulls to the south side.
Easy, easy, champion. You look very handsome today. Almost ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the undisputed champion, the magnificent Gray Brahman Bull.
The muscle development here is exceptional, truly elite.
Agreed. And the balance and movement are flawless for the breed standard.
The Global Livestock Expo draws thousands, showcasing finest breeds like the champion Gray Brahman.
By analyzing the EPDs, we can ensure superior genetic lines for the Gray Brahman.
This centralized system then optimizes.
The marbling on this one is exceptional.
Absolutely, top-tier genetics. We should consider this line for the herd expansion.
A legacy built on champions. This collection is the culmination of generations of superior Gray Brahman genetics.
And here we have the undisputed champion, combining muscularity and breed character in one incredible package.
The scale of this gathering reflects the dedication of breeders across the globe, united by their passion for the Gray Brahman.
The facility ensures the highest standards of animal welfare.
Looks good. Move up now, easy does it.
As you can see on the screen, the vaccination history is complete and the genetic markers match the breed standard.
Excellent. The export approval can proceed then. The digital tracking and biometric data are fully reconciled. We are cleared for export.
Check your mirrors, Unit 4. Maintain spacing. We are rolling.
Across this vast expanse, the convoy pushes forward, a vital link in the chain of global logistics. Main transportation is key. These Brahman bulls travel in spacious, well-ventilated compartments, minimizing stress on the road.
All the sheep in Group 3 are cleared for loading.
Confirmed. I've updated the manifest. The crane is ready.
Route 4B is clear for immediate dispatch.
Confirmed. ETA updated on the main screen.
We have a slight delay in the South American agricultural shipment. Rerouting now. As the sun sets on the harbor, these vessels carry the vital agricultural exports that feed nations across the globe.
From these shores, the standard of excellence is carried across the oceans, feeding the world.
The genomic sequencing confirms the markers we identified for heat resistance.
And this phenotypic data aligns perfectly with the Gray Brahman trials.
The sequencing confirms the edit was successful.
The growth markers are exactly where we need them for the next generation.
Genomic sequencing confirms the heat resistance markers are optimized.
Excellent. We can proceed with the next simulation cycle.
Utilizing advanced tracking technology, we monitor the Gray Brahman herds across these zones, ensuring optimal health and genetic progress.
The laser system precisely analyzes the skeletal alignment and muscle development, allowing us to optimize breeding.
According to the tablet, her interaction patterns are significantly higher today.
Yes, I've noted the behavior of the bull near her. It's exactly what we hoped for.
These advanced biometric collars allow us to monitor the herd's vitals in real time, optimizing grazing patterns for maximum efficiency.
Every blinking light represents livestock data, optimizing global distribution and genetic performance for the modern agricultural sector.
And if we adjust the CRISPR sequence here, the protein synthesis rate stabilizes.
Yes, optimizing the feed conversion.
By integrating solar, wind, and advanced water recycling, we're proving that agriculture and sustainability can thrive in perfect harmony. Utilizing state-of-the-art synchronized pumping systems, water is efficiently distributed.
The data confirms optimized grazing in the eastern quadrant.
Yes, the intake rates align with the satellite imagery. We should observe the younger bulls near the water source next.
This is the future of global agriculture, a seamless web of trade routes connecting producers and markets with unprecedented speed.
Here at the facility, our advanced robotic systems ensure every elite Grey Brahman receives precise nutrition, optimizing growth and efficiency. Through soft airflow, controlled lighting, and automated feeding, we maintain optimal conditions for healthy growth.
In just one season, these calves have achieved remarkable growth, proving the success of our research program.
This facility represents a new era in sustainable protein, integrating genetic science and culmination of scientific evolution. A new era of sustainable agriculture begins now.
We're seeing optimal growth rates in the southeast quadrant.
And the projection map confirms the Q3 targets are secure.
Genetic repository status, optimal. All Grey Brahman bloodlines secured and monitored. The Grey Brahman, a testament to generations of careful breeding. Its influence spans the globe.
Welcome to the interconnected global ranch system, leveraging advanced technology to optimize worldwide agricultural trade and research.
The Brahman breed, a testament to agricultural evolution. From traditional ranching to the precision of modern genetics, their journey continues.
Starting the bidding now at 200,000 for this magnificent Grey Brahman. Do I hear 250? 250, sold for 300,000.
These predictive models allow us to optimize breeding success rates and analyze global demand.
Across continents, our synchronized networks ensure perfect harmony between livestock and technology.
Look at the loin on this one. The EPDs confirm the marbling potential.
Yes, the growth numbers are exceptional for a Brahman.
This partnership ensures sustainable growth for all nations involved.
We are thrilled to move forward with this initiative.
Only the finest genetics receive the mark of premium quality and global certification.
Across oceans and continents, we deliver premium livestock genetics, ensuring food security for a growing world.
The needs of the herd remain the same, but how we meet them has evolved. We're bridging tradition with technology to build the future of ranching.
Witness the legend, the culmination of 1,000 years of genetic excellence, optimized for the future.
The Endless Ranch meets the Sky Farm, a perfect harmony of nature and innovation, powered entirely by clean energy.
Their growth metrics are exceeding expectations, Doctor.
And the ranchers' care is evident in their health.
Harnessing the best of nature and the precision of science, we are mapping the future, gene by gene.
Yeah. Keep it moving.
This sprawling network, dedicated to Grey Brahman excellence, represents the pinnacle of agricultural innovation.